Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Prabhat Ali and today in this video I will show you the output demo of stylizing the video in real time using Newell Style Transfers. So if you guys do not know about what Newell Style Transfers are, so don't worry guys, I will be uploading a complete playlist on Newell Style Transfers in which I will be covering the topic on how Newell Style Transfer works and how to train Newell Style Transfer algorithm from scratch. So guys, be patient and watch what Newell Style Transfers can do in this video. Hey guys, that's much for this video. I hope you will like this video, and if you find this video useful, feel free to like and share this to your friends. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. So in my next video, we will understand how Newell Style Transfer works, and we will also train Newell Style Transfer algorithm from scratch. So see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and keep learning.